Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. And today I want to talk about what you want to think about when you're shopping for new garage doors in Atlanta. The first thing I like to look at is what you're putting in that space. Okay, we want it to match. Okay, we want it to match with the rest of the house. We either want it to blend into the house or we want it to kind of be the centerpiece of the house. And it's such a large opening for most people, whether it's 2 or 3 doors or one big door. That space, people can usually see that from the curb, and it really makes a big difference in your house. So you want it to look good. We want to look at the windows if you decide to get windows, and I do think windows look great. We want to match those windows up to the other windows in the house so it looks like that door should be there. Then you got to see if you've got a traditional house, you want a traditional door. Typically, we're just doing those when you want the door to blend into the house. Those are a little cheaper than your carriage doors, but the carriage doors are huge here in Atlanta, and that's what we do about 65% of. Those are the doors with the decorative hardware that you see. Some people call them the barn doors. Some people think about the big X's. They're not necessarily like that. Some of them are, and you can get them that way. But really what it is the decorative hardware. So we're gonna match up, again, that design that's right for your house. And of course, it's gotta be something that you like. You wanna see this every day too. When you walk in, you wanna feel good about your purchase. Then we're gonna talk about the insulation value in the home. That insulation is gonna save you money month after month, year after year on your garage door. And because of that and the curb appeal, you're gonna get 103% of the money you put into this door back when you sell the house. It is the #1 home improvement that you can make to return on investment. The next thing that I think is huge is I like steel on the back side. That's gonna make your door so much more durable. These cheaper doors with the vinyl insulation backing, they turn yellow over time. You can stick your finger through the back of it. The dog might scratch it up. Your kids might do something to it. If you have an accident, it's going to dent up, it's gonna damage, you're gonna need to replace the sections. You get the steel on the back, and I'm gonna tell you what, just that alone is gonna prevent a lot of that damage. 95% of that damage down the road, where you would have had the damage with a cheap economy door, you're not gonna get that with the door, with the steel on the back side. So those are the biggest things that I can think of when you're making that decision to replace your garage door. And then the last thing I just want to tell you is when you do replace that door, you're going to get all new hardware, rollers, hinges, springs. Every part of that door is going to be changed out other than your garage door opener. That is something separate. But you can use your old opener, you can get a new opener, but everything else will be new. It'll be quiet, and it's going to run for a very long time without giving you a problem. So when you are ready, please call us at All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. Have a great day.